interesting in the newspaper.
You're not going to read it all now. Is it interesting?
Well, part of it might be interesting to you. Should I try?
Sure.
Okay. The solar system is believed to have formed according to the nebula hypotheses, first proposed in 1755 by Immanuel Kant and independently formulated by Pierre-Simon Laplace. This theory...
Who's Mon Laplace?
Don't ask me. It doesn't tell me in the article. You can look them up on the computer later. This theory holds that 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system formed from the gravitational collapse of a giant molecular cloud. This initial cloud was likely several light years, of course, and birthed several stars. Studies of ancient meteorites reveal traces of elements only formed in the hearts of very large exploding stars, indicating that the sun formed within a star cluster and in range of a number of nearby supernova explosions. The shock wave from these...
When was this written?
This article was written on September 21st, 2006.
Today?
Today, the article, but this theory was formulated in 1755. 1755. That's 302 years ago. 300 and a long time ago, years ago. Okay.
Is this about the solar system and the
Yes,
Earth and stuff?
The shock wave
Interesting.
from the supernovae may have triggered the formulation of the sun by creating regions of overdensity in the surrounding nebula, allowing gravitational forces to overcome internal gas pressures and cause collapse.
I have to take a shower now, alright?
Okay.
Meanwhile, you find something interesting while I'm in the shower.
Okay, and you get, when you're finished with the shower, you look for something interesting too.
Alright, if I could,
Okay.
I'll try to find some good stuff.
Okay.
So I'm out of the shower. Did you find anything?
Yeah, you know, oddly enough, I'm reading the newspaper and I found a very interesting article about...
Wait, first let me just make my breakfast. Let me just have my breakfast. I gotta... Oh wait, I put the milk in first. Wait.
What do you have there, raisins?
I got blueberries.
That's very good for you. They're very healthy.
I don't know. Just gotta put it in my cereal.
Yes. You cut them?
Yeah, I cut them and I put them in.
It's not very sanitary.
What's not sanitary about it?
That's scissors.
The scissors?
Why don't you eat them whole?
I don't know.
Who gave you the idea to cut them?
I don't know. It's a technique I learned. I cut them.
Okay. You can use... Just don't cut your finger.
Yes, of course I won't. Very plastic scissor.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry this is taking so long.
So am I. Enough already.
I like a lot of this.
I'm getting bored. Oh, Kyle, I'm going to sit and wait for you to cut all of these.
No.
And then you won't eat it.
I will.
You took me away from reading the newspaper.
Okay. Wait, this is my breakfast, even though it's
And
not
while
breakfast.
you're eating, I'll read the paper.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Say, never... You gotta read the paper.
While you're at it, get a napkin.
Alright. You start reading, I just gotta... Hold on. Gotta...
know you're so interested in the moon because you just took a picture of a moon. I was when you were outdoors.
Okay, you want to start
Oh,
reading?
incidentally, here's an article that tells you the moon is Earth's only natural satellite.
Really?
Yes.
Never knew that.
And the 5th largest moon in the solar system. The average center-to-center distance from the Earth to the moon is 384,403 kilometers. That's equivalent to 238,863 miles.
Is this science?
Pardon me?
It's science.
This is scientific fact, which is about 30 times the diameter of the Earth. The moon is 30 times the diameter of the Earth.
From Bill Nye?
Yes. The moon has a diameter of 3,474 kilometers, or 2,159 miles, slightly more than a quarter that of the Earth. This means that the volume of the moon is close to 1/50th of that of the Earth. The gravitational pull at the surface is about 1/16th of Earth's.